Are you thinking about buying a new truck right now? You might want to hold on to your cash, because the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado is bringing some serious firepower to the full-size pickup market. Chevy knows truck buyers value strength and reliability, but they are completely raising the bar for the next generation. Welcome back to CB Auto News. Today, we are breaking down the 5 massive changes coming to the 2027 Chevy Silverado, from a completely revamped interior to a shocking update under the hood that V8 fans need to hear about. Let's get into it. Number 1 on our list is the bold new exterior styling. The 2027 Silverado keeps its tough, squared-off roots, but refines them for a much more commanding road presence. Up front, you'll immediately notice the slim LED daytime running lights sitting high up, framing a massive, structured grille that proudly carries the bow tie. But the real change is the lighting signature. The main headlamp units are now stacked vertically below those DRLs, giving it a sharp, aggressive look. Move to the back, and the tailgate makes a huge statement with large, embossed Chevrolet lettering, flanked by modern LED taillights and those incredibly practical integrated corner steps. It's a familiar silhouette, but undeniably fresh. Massive change number 2 happens the second you step inside. The cabin is taking a huge leap forward in technology and premium feel. Front and center is a new, fully digital instrument cluster with clean, customizable displays for your towing and navigation data. But the star of the show is the central infotainment screen. It's expected to be even larger than the outgoing 13. 4-inch display, seamlessly integrated into the dash with Google-based apps and multiple camera views. And here's the absolute best part. Chevy actually listened to truck owners. They are keeping physical buttons and knobs for climate and essential controls. Add in softer touch materials and metallic accents, and this interior easily rivals the competition. Coming in at number 3 is what's hiding underneath the sheet metal. The 2027 Silverado will ride on an updated version of the T1 body-on-frame architecture, heavily rumored to be called the T1-2 platform. What does this mean for you? It means a noticeably enhanced, smoother ride for daily driving without sacrificing the heavy-duty capability you expect. Chevy is sticking with the traditional solid rear axle and leaf spring setup in the back. So, whether you are hauling equipment to the job site or pulling a camper, the payload and towing capacity will still be rock solid. Number 4 is easily the most controversial and exciting update, the engine lineup. The reliable 2, 7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder will return as the base engine, and the torquey 3. 0-liter Duramax diesel inline 6 carries over for ultimate fuel economy. But the biggest news? Chevy is introducing a brand new small block V8 family, officially replacing the legendary outgoing 5.3-liter engine. Rumors are pointing strongly to a new 5, 7-liter V8, and potentially even a 6-liter option for the half-ton, focusing on better efficiency while delivering massive performance. Paired with the 8-speed automatic, this is a total game changer. Finally, massive change number 5 is how Chevy is pricing this next-generation truck. Despite the heavy upgrades, they are keeping the entry point competitive. The work-focused WT trim is expected to start right around the $40,000 mark. If you are looking at the mid-level, volume-selling LT crew cab, expect prices to begin near $50,000. And for those wanting ultimate luxury with premium audio and leather seating, the top-tier high country models will easily exceed $65,000. The 2027 Silverado proves that evolution can be powerful, blending classic muscle with future-ready tech. Which of these 5 changes is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. I'll see you in the next one.